Hello everyone, welcome back on another video and you guys are watching Parital Canada. Today I will walk you through what happens when you land in Canada as a PR under spousal sponsorship program. We will go from step to step from immigration questions, required documents, getting your SIN number, PR card, what you should do in your first few days. So if you or your partner is landing soon, this video will clear all your doubts. I have mentioned timestamps in the description down below if you want to watch any specific topic. The viewers who are new here, please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications whenever I upload new videos. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Arrival at the airport. As your flight lands, you will first go through the immigration at the airport, usually Toronto, Vancouver, Calgary or Montreal. You will either use a kiosk or go directly to an officer. You will scan your passport and answer few questions on the machine. Immigration officer questions. Next, you will meet an immigration officer. There is where your landing officially happens. Documents you needed: passport with a PR visa, COPR, confirmation of permanent resident, Canadian address, optional, marriage certificate, goods to follow list. The officer will ask simple questions like, is this your first time landing as a PR? Where are you from? Who was your matchmaker? When did you got married? Was your marriage arranged? Did you know groom's family before? Where will you stay in Canada? Are you still with your sponsor? Do you have any dependents? Do you have any goods to follow? Tip: answer honestly and confidently, they are just confirming information. Immigration desk process. If everything is okay, the officer will sign your COPR and update the system. They will ask for your Canadian address to send your PR card. It usually arrives in 4 to 6 weeks. In some cases, you might receive your PR card in 2 weeks. If you don't have an address yet, you can update it online later at IRCC website. They may also explain your rights and responsibilities as a new permanent resident. Customs. After immigration, pick up your luggage and proceed to customs. If you have items to declare or goods that will arrive later, hand over your B4 form and goods to follow list. The officer will stamp it. This helps you avoid paying taxes on items later. Don't bring things like meat, dairy, fruits or too much cash without declaring. Exit the airport. Once custom clears you, you're officially landed in Canada as a permanent resident. Your spouse or family member can meet you in arrivals area. Welcome to Canada. Getting SIN number. Next, go to Service Canada office to apply for your SIN, social insurance number, or you can get your SIN number at the airport before taking exit from the airport. This number is needed to work, pay taxes, or open a bank account. Documents needed for getting a SIN number: passport, COPR, PR visa stamp. In most places you can walk in, you will get your SIN number on the same day. Open bank account. Now open a bank account. Newcomer packages often include no fee accounts and beginner credit cards. You will need SIN number, passport, COPR, Canadian address. Start building your credit score from day one. Getting a SIM card. To stay connected, buy a SIM card from companies like Fido, Kudo or Freedom Mobile. They are cheaper from Bell and Rogers. Documents needed for SIM card: passport or ID, address, PR document. Many companies have newcomer deals. Get a Canadian number right away. Apply for a health card. Apply for your provincial health card like OHIP in Ontario, MSP in British Columbia. In some provinces, you get health coverage immediately. Bring PR document or COPR, passport, proof of address, marriage certificate sometimes required. Make sure you apply early even if you are staying with your spouse. Settling in. In the first few weeks, take care of these things. Find a family doctor, get a provincial ID card, learn about taxes and PR obligations, explore jobs or educational programs. Start your new life one step at a time. And that's the full landing process in Canada as a PR under spousal sponsorship. Thank you for watching and I wish you smooth landing and a happy life in Canada. If you found video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more updates. If you have any questions or topic you would like me to cover, leave a comment down below. Until next time, take care. Thank you.